Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw lips. So today we are gonna learn how to draw lips. So there are so many types of lips like thin lips, thick lips, glossy lips, any kind of lips. Whatever you have to do is just, if you are a beginner, follow these basic steps to learn how to draw lips. It will be helpful for you. Even I'm also learning sketching, so I thought that let's teach you how to draw lips. It will be helpful for you, so let's start it. So at first what you have to do is grab your pencil. Sorry, just kidding. Actually not kidding, because you have to grab your pencil obviously. And then you have to do is just put two dots like this. Isn't it simple? Like this. Put two dots like this. Then what you have to do is draw. It's a curvy lips, so you have to draw a curve like this. Then you have to connect it. This is the line between two lips, upper lips and the lower lips. Now what you have to do is draw the upper lips like this. Now draw the lower lips. See, it's done. Isn't it easy? It's really easy. Now you have to do is you have to leave some space for highlight. Then you have to dark the parts. Like this, do the sketching. Now just darken the lower lips part. This is the chin area. Is done. Our first lip is done. Draw two dots, then draw a line, curved line, then connect both like this. It's done. See, our lips is done. Now we are gonna draw a lip, little bit open lip. So what we have to do is, let's draw two dots again. Then what you have to do is do like this. Then you have to draw a little circle between lips, because this lip is kind of open. Oh, that's not this. It's okay if you have done mistakes, because I'm also learning. Like, I have learned it, so I'm just teaching you how to do it. This is the space between two lips. It's little bit open. Now we are done with the second lips. This lips kind of open. I'm showing you how to draw it again. Draw two dots like this, then do like this. Draw a circle between two lips. Do like this. It's open lips. It's done. Our second lip is also done. Now we are gonna shade it. You can do it also with pencil. I'm using it a color pencil. You can also use just a pencil. It's done. Now we are gonna draw another lip. At first again put two dots, then you have to draw it like this. This is the teeth. Darken the parts. Lower lips, upper lips. It's done. See? It's done. Now what we have to do is two dots. Draw a shape like this. Draw a teeth. Draw teeth. Lower lips, upper lips, and it's done. Now you are good to go. It's done. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw side profiles. Wait. For the side profile, in my last video I have shown you how to draw side profile picture, side profile sketch, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw a side profile lip. And so let's do it. So I am to show you, this is what side profile look like. This is what side profile is, and this is what the lips will look like, and this is what we are gonna do. We are gonna draw. So let's do it. So at first, suppose it's a face. At first you have to draw a round. At first you have to draw a round shape like this. Now what you have to do is draw a dot here. Now what you have to do, draw a line like this. Our side profile lip is done. It's too easy to draw if you draw it in this way. Draw the upper lips and it's done. It's done. Now I'm gonna show you another lip. What you need to do is, if you want to draw lip, then you always have to apply 2 dots like this, then draw a little bit of a curve. Draw the lower lips. Is done. Is done. Let me show you how is done. See, this is the upper lip and this is the lower lip. It's done. So now I'm going to show you if you want to draw a baby's mouth and how to draw it. It's easy. Just draw a circle. Like this, then draw the teeth, then draw the tongue. See, it's done. Now darken the inner part. Is the teeth. Is the mouth. Now I'm going to show you another lip. You have to draw a shape like this. This is all mango's lips, anime cartoons lip, you can see. Lips. It's a lip, like it's feet. This is teeth. This is nose. This is teeth. Is done. So here are some lip tutorials that I have done for you guys. I hope it's gonna help you, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you like my video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also visit my Instagram for more art. And yeah, that's it. Stay well, stay safe and stay home. So that's it. Let's meet in my next video. Bye.